Hey guys, my name is Jared Dunn and I am the Life Coach Agent. And I just want to take a moment to introduce myself to you because I am local here in Winter Garden. And first of all, I appreciate you taking the time to read my email as well as watch this video. And just it gives me an opportunity to make a personal introduction to you. And I understand you might not be in the market right now to buy or sell a home, and that's totally great. You see, I'm more concerned about building long-term relationships over just a short-term transaction. And so one way I'm going to do that is I'm going to send you a weekly email that's going to give you things that are informational and educational and inspirational and things that really just add value to you and your family's life. And so I encourage you to stay tuned to that. And when you are ready to buy or sell, I hope that you'll remember me because of that email so that not only can I help you, but I become your realtor for life. You see, I understand what it means to buy a home or sell a home here in Winter Garden. I understand like the latest listings, the right prices, the ins, the outs, the buzz around town. From search to sale, I'll provide you expert advice and unwavering support to help you make the most informed decision while saving you time. I bring a strong work ethic. I'm strategic minded. I'm highly effective with my negotiation skills, emotional intelligence, as well as integrity. And I do that from years of executive leadership as well as a life coach and as well as real estate to back it up. I will handle everything for you from start to finish. I can provide you tips and tricks on things even like staging and minor home improvements to help you sell your home fast. My goal is to save you time, money, and reduce unnecessary stress. And just know, if you sell and or buy a home from me as your realtor, I will give you 5 hours of free certified life coaching valued at $750. As well, when I list your home, you'll also receive what I call the Elegant Gallery Luxury Home Marketing Package, valued at $1,200, which means I will market your home just like I would a $2 million home. After all, why would you deserve anything less? Now, if you're not in the market to buy right now at this moment, but perhaps you know someone that is, a family member, a friend, simply by referring them to me, I will give you 2 hours of free life coaching simply for the referral once they close. But if you personally find that you're going to be in the market maybe in the next 6 or 12 months, why don't we start off with a discovery call? All you have to do is give me a call and we'll go from there. So if you have questions, you're ready for the discovery call, or you have something that's not even real estate related, but maybe I can help you with, give me a call at 407-493-8872 or visit me online at lifecoachagent.com. I would look forward to getting to know you, having the opportunity to serve you and become your realtor for life. Take care and be good to yourself.